Hey, I'm Chris from Tire Supply Network.
Hey, I'm calling with Chem.
Colin, what do you have here for us today?
So this is a ER72 balancer. It's a great performance balancer for a high volume tire shop.
First thing I noticed is there's no hood. Is there a reason why?
Yeah, we just took the hood off because of the position of the balancer inside the van. Typically, all of our balancers come with a hood installed, so no need to worry about that.
Are there any size limitations to this balancer?
Well, I wouldn't worry too much about that. This balancer can handle any light truck, passenger size assembly. All of our balancers can handle up to 165 pounds on the shaft.
Colin, I see this is a high quality balancer, but is there anything specifically special about this?
Well, just to break down the part number a little bit, it's an ER72 TD. So the ER is for ergonomic, which means we move the shaft as far forward as possible to allow for maximum workspace for the technicians. And the TD stands for tire dealer, so it's a great high volume balancer for a very busy shop. But overall, I love the fact that this doesn't really need a calibration. Like I said, this thing has been in this van for 100,000 miles for 4 years, and I have not had to calibrate it a single time.
Sounds great, Colin. Can we see those features in action?
Yeah, let's take you through it. So I have an aluminum wheel mounted on the balancer right now. To start the process, I'm going to move the measuring arm out. I'm going to hit it once on the inner plane, wait for the beep, and once on the outer plane, wait for the beep. Based off those two measurements, it knows it's an aluminum wheel. So I would shut the hood. In this case, I'm going to hit start. But the hood has a sonar on the side, so it's actually measuring the width dimension for you. So no need for a plastic caliper and input anything in manually. It's going to slow it down with a feature called automatic approach, and it's going to get really close to where the imbalance is. So I barely had to move the tire in order to find that imbalance of 75. So if I look down here, I have a laser spotter that tells me exactly where the weight is. And there also is an LED light in here, so it allows me for light for workspace. So I'm going to throw 75 ounces right to the right of the red dot. I'm going to rotate the tire forward, find the outer plane. It holds it in position. It locks it right there. No foot brake or anything on this guy. So I'm going to put the 75 ounces right there. Okay, so we're going to spin it up and hopefully we get zeros. There we go.
Perfect. Well done. Thank you for showing us that. You made it look really easy.
No problem.
What's the warranty with this balancer?
Yeah, so for the warranty on this balancer and all of our equipment is 2 years for parts and 1 year for labor. And the other cool thing with all of our balancers in particular, there's a 5 year warranty on the motor itself. Also, with the purchase of any of our equipment, everything does come with free setup and training included. We really want to make sure everyone understands how to use our equipment properly.
Very nice. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us at Tire Supply Network or contact Colin at Chem.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching.